You served our country, put everything on the line, and earned the right to own a piece of the land you protected. But every week in Virginia, I talk to active duty military and veterans who are being told they can't buy a home because of massive out-of-pocket costs. That is a flat-out lie. Duane Buziak, your Virginia mortgage broker. If you've been holding back from using your VA home loan benefit, here are 3 facts you need to know today. 0 down payment is just the beginning. You already know the VA loan requires 0% down. But what lenders rarely explain is that your benefit also eliminates monthly private mortgage insurance (PMI). That alone saves Virginia military families hundreds of dollars every single month, money that stays in your pocket for your kids. The funding fee truth. Many veterans panic about the VA funding fee. Here's the reality. If you have any service-connected disability rate, even 10% that fee is completely waived. And if you do pay it, you don't need cash at closing. It gets wrapped right into the loan. It's a lifetime benefit. You do not lose your VA loan after using it once. Whether you are PCSing to Norfolk, buying in Fredericksburg, or settling down in Richmond, your entitlement is reusable for life. You've earned this benefit through your sacrifice and service. Don't let misinformation keep your family renting another day. If you're ready to unlock your true VA home buying power, comment VA down below, and my team will pull your certificate of eligibility for free.